121. Okay. All right. Page 121. It says, let's see. Dallas, will you read the I can statement, please, sir? Algorithm. Good. So we're going to use a new strategy called the standard algorithm. So we've already learned the standard algorithm for addition and subtraction, and now we're going to learn it for multiplication. Okay, this is just another strategy that you can use when you're multiplying. So you could still use the open area, you could still use expanded form, distributed property, okay? But this is just a new strategy for you to have in your back pocket to use. All right. Here's the problem. Susan ran 1,423 feet on a track. David ran 3 times as far as Susan. How can you determine how far David ran? All right, so what equation can we write to represent this problem? Good. 3 times 1,423. Okay. All right, now in that empty rectangle that you have on your paper, use that space to solve it. 3 times 1,423. So you can use whichever strategy you want right now. So you should be solving this on your paper. 3 times 1,423. Put your hands on your shoulders when you're done, so I know that we can keep going. Okay, looks like everybody's pretty much done. Okay. I'm going to solve it using open area because I think that's what most people are using. But if you did not and you didn't get it correct, just let me know and I can go over it on the strategy that you used. That's not going to work well. Okay, good enough. All right, 3 times 1,423. So we have 1,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, a little more multiplication on this problem. Okay, so we draw our lines where the plus signs are. All right, we multiply this first square. 3 times 1,000, which equals what? What is 3 times 1,000? Good, thank you. 3,000. All right, multiply 3 is this side times the top, which is 400. All right, well, that's a power of 10. Well, so was 3 times 1,000. That one's easy. 3 times 400 is a power of 10. So what's our basic fact to help us solve this one? 3 times 4, which is what? 12. Good. And then how many zeros do we put on the end? There's 2 right here. There's not any after the 3, so it's just 2. 1, 2. Next square or box is 3 times, running out of room, 20. What is 3 times 20? 60. Good. And then the last square. This one is a square because it's the same on both sides. 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3? 9. All right, now what? Add them all together. 3,000 plus 1,200 plus 60 plus 9. Okay, add our 1, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 2 is 2. Oops. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 4,269. Did anybody solve it a different way and they want me to go over that one because you didn't get it correct? You did get it correct? Okay, good. Okay, you solved it a different way, but did you get it right? Okay, how did you solve it? All right, stop right there. Why did you do, hold on. Why did you do 40 times 3? Yeah, 4 is in the hundreds place. Is that where you messed up? Yeah. Okay. Anybody else? Are y'all ready for the standard algorithm? Dallas is ready. I think you're ready. All right, turn the page to page 122. All right. It says, let me get my screen back up. Hey, let's everybody mute our mics for right now. All right. It says on page 122, Dion has 3 full coin collection books. Each book holds the same number of coins. How many coins does Dion have? All right. How many books does he have total? How many books does he have? 3 books. And one book holds how much? Good. It holds 104 because we see that right here in the little picture. The little blue book tells us one book holds 104 coins and he has 3 of those. So what is our equation to represent this problem? Good. 3 times 104. Okay. Okay. Hold on a second. All right, so step A says, how can you use what you know about place value to write 100 or 3 times 104 vertically? Hey, yesterday we wrote the multiplication problems vertically. Okay, we stacked them. So what number should go on top? Yeah, the bigger number. So is it 3 or 104? Okay, 104. So 104 is going to go up here times, and what are we multiplying 104 by? 3. Okay, so is that 3 ones, 3 tens, 3 hundreds? It's 3 ones. If we had 30, that'd be 3 tens. If we had 300, that'd be 3 hundreds. Okay, we only have 3, so that's just 3 ones. So we're going to put the 3 under the ones place. So 104, here the 4's in the ones place, so the 3 is going to go right here. Stacked up by the place value, just like when you're stacking it up for addition and subtraction. Okay. So now we're going to multiply the stacked numbers. I did not leave myself any room, so I'm going to erase this for a second. Okay, now we're going to multiply our numbers. So we're going to distribute the 3 to the 1. So what's 3 times 4? 12. Okay, yesterday we learned that we should do something with the 10. We're not going to put 12 right here. We're going to do something else. Yeah, we're going to put a 2 and carry the 1. You remember doing that yesterday? Yeah, maybe. No? Okay. Well, we're going to learn it again today. All right, so now that we distribute the 3 to the 4, now we move on to the tens place. So 3 times 0 is what? Oh, yeah, everybody should know this one. Come on. 3 times 0 is 0, all right? But we also have this 1 up there above the 0. So we're actually going to add that. So 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is what? 1. So we're just going to put the 1 under the tens. Have we distributed the 3 to all the places? No, we got one more place. We got to do the hundreds place. So distribute the 3 times all the way over here, 1. What's 3 times 1? 3. Yeah. So our answer is what? How many coins? 312 coins. That's a lot of coins. Yeah. Let me put coins under there so we'll remember our unit. I know, isn't it? Yep. So on E, it says Dion has how many coins? 312 coins. 312 coins. Good. No, you can skip B, C, and D. All right, let's see if we can get this last problem in. Let's go to page 123. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. You're sweet. All right, page 123. Lisa challenges Carlos to read 7,137 words a day for 7 days. How many words is that? All right, step A says write the problem vertically, lining up the digits by place value. So you have a chart that looks like this, kind of. And let's fill it in. So what number goes on top? Good, 7,137. If I were you, I would start with the ones and build that number from there so that I have the right numbers in the right squares. Okay. And then what number is going to go on the bottom? 7. 7, 1. So it's going to go under the ones place. So here's the ones place. And there's the 7. All right. Then it says on B, multiply the ones. 7 times 7 ones is equal to how many ones? What's 7 times 7? Good, 49. 49. Okay. So we're going to put the 9 right here under the ones place. The 9 goes right here. And then what are we going to carry into the next place? Yeah, the 4. I'm actually going to do it right here because that other one's confusing. Okay. All right, now it says multiply the tens. 7 ones times 3 tens. What is that? Seven times 3. Yes, that's right, 21. And then what do we do with this 4 up here? Yeah, we add it in there. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4 is what? 25. So what number stays down here? The 5, and then we carry the 2. Yep. Now we multiply the hundreds. 7 times 100 is what? 700. So we're just going to put a 7 because we're doing 7 times 1, 100, which is 7, 100. So 7. And then what do we do with this 2? Okay. All right. So remember when we carried this 2, that's actually 2 hundreds. Okay. It's not 2 ones, it's 2 hundreds. So if we're thinking of this as 7 times 100 is 700, we'd have to say plus 200s. That's not 2 ones. Okay. So I would think of it as 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2, which is what? 9. So it's going to be 9. Does that make sense? Okay. And we multiply the thousands. 7 times 7 again. What is 7 times 7? 49. And that's our last one. So we can just put the 49 down here. We don't carry it because that's our last place to multiply. So we got 49,959 words. That's a lot of words in a week. What do you mean? What do you mean? You didn't understand. Okay. Well, if this strategy is not working for you, then you stick to the strategy that works for you, like open area or the other one, expanded form. Yeah. Yeah. Who was telling me that they were confused? Who's me? Cortland? Did you solve it before we started it? No, do you have another strategy that works for you? What do you mean with these numbers? Because the number's a larger number? Okay. So if I did it in a smaller number, would it make more sense? Okay, here's what we'll do. I'm going to ask y'all your attendance question and have you type it in the chat box. And then Cortland, once everybody's off, you stay on and I can go through it again with you, okay? All right, let me get the question out. Not yet. Not yet. Yes, she is. She's going to have her baby before me. Say Lincoln. I like that name. Okay, let's see. That's a good nickname. All right, here's your question. Once you answer the question, you may leave, except for Cortland, so I can help you. I know, I'm working on it. Hold on. Okay, there you go. You're about to adopt a new dog. Which dog do you pick and why? Make sure you type it in the chat box so I can get your name down for your attendance. All right, just give it a second to load. Okay, just I'll mark you down, Sierra. You picked E, a husky. Oh, they are cute. Mhm. Oh, really? Oh, oh, wow. All right. Okay, Cortland.